If you or a loved one have kidney disease, you might be wondering how you can make your favorite recipe more kidney friendly. The good news, recipes don't have to be intimidating, and recipes can be updated based on ingredients you have at home and cooking equipment you already have. If you find a recipe you love, but you don't have the specific ingredients or equipment that's listed, talk to your dietitian. They can make suggestions to fit your needs, budget, and taste. Cooking at home gives control of ingredients, can be a fun activity with loved one, and also less expensive than eating at restaurants or takeout. When we talk to people with kidney disease, chicken is often the overall favorite protein in their household. So today, we're going to show you a simple way to take this kitchen staple and create a delicious kidney-friendly dish that is a better alternate to pre-breaded or fried chicken. This recipe is lower in sodium and phosphorus and high in protein. So now, we invite you to meet us at the table. Add the zest of 1 lemon and half of your herbs to the breadcrumbs, saving the rest for the lemon sauce later. Beat an egg yolk with 1 tablespoon of water. Place chicken tenders between 2 pieces of plastic wrap and beat them with the small groove side of the mallet until they are thin but not ripped. Dip the chicken in the egg wash mixture and then in the breadcrumb mixture until coated. Set them aside. In the saute pan, preheat 2 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. Place the breaded chicken in the pan. Cook the chicken approximately 2 to 3 minutes each side. Remove the chicken and place it on a separate baking sheet to rest. In the same saute pan you cook the chicken in, add the remaining herbs and lemon juice, and then heat until simmering. Turn off the heat and add the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter to the sauce and stir it vigorously. Slice the chicken. Place the sliced chicken on the plate. Pour the sauce over the top and add the garnishes. As you can see, this beautiful and delicious crunchy lemon herb chicken is not only easy to prepare, it's also flavorful and kidney-friendly way to prepare chicken. 1 serving is 3 ounces, which is a size of palm of your hand or deck of cards. Remember, your dietitian is always available to answer any questions. They can help you eat well while still incorporating the foods you love. For more delicious kidney-friendly dishes, visit freseniuskidneycare.com/recipes.